Right, okay. So different field. If you keep the product on here, there is a person that's when these elements are finished. What were the thing we were discussing last time? I recall cos 60 you are supposed to show something when cos 6 theta equals 32 cos over theta minus 48 it is 6 minus 48. Shall we do this once again? Yeah. Plus 18 cos square theta. What is it? Minus. Sorry. Z. Real axis. And Z imaginary axis. The magnitude of Z is generally Z equals cosine theta. This is cosine theta plus iota sine theta. Here. Then Z to the power 6. You can use formulas. Your favorite one.
Yes.
Then cos 6 theta plus iota sine 6 theta, right? And Z to the power minus 6, we need that one because we have to eliminate this. This becomes negative because in fourth quadrant sine is negative. Cosine 6 theta negative iota sine 6 theta. Right. So you can make left hand side that be equal to z to the power 6 plus 1 over z to the power 6. 1 over z to the power 6, which is cos 6 theta plus iota sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus iota sine 6 theta. This is 2 cosine 6 theta 0 to the power 6 plus 1 over 0 to the power 6. I'll be writing this as z squared to the power 3 1 over z squared to the power 3. You can factorize this, right? You can factorize this. This becomes, what are the factors of this? Yeah. Z squared plus 1 over z squared into z squared to the power 2 plus 1 over z squared to the power 2 minus 2, the modification. Not modification, but I switch the sign, right? This one. You got it right. Did you do the concept at home?
Yes.
Don't pretend, right? Like you did, right? Don't try to see me, right?
See,
This
I
one.
mean,
And see, minus 2. Then this is going to be z squared plus 1 over z squared, okay. Minus 2, right? Is this one minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. We have applied this once again. 2 cosine 6 theta. Okay. is z plus 1 over z squared minus 2. Okay, this is z plus 1 over z to the power 2 minus 2 squared minus 3. 2 cosine 6 theta, right? Then z plus 1 over z, which is cosine z is that one. Z is cosine theta plus iota sine theta, and z to the power minus 1, which is 1 over z. 1 over z is cosine minus theta cos theta minus iota sine theta. Z plus 1 over z is 2 cosine theta. Right? This is 2 cosine theta. You can substitute. Then on left hand side, when you substitute 2 cosine theta squared minus 2. This is 2 cosine theta squared minus 2 to the power 2, right? Minus 3 equals 2 cos 6 theta, right? If this is 4, then one of these 2 can be taken out. This is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. This is 4 cos squared theta. Then this becomes plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. Right? This is multiplication. 4 minus 8 minus 16 cosine squared theta. This becomes cos to the power 4. There was a mistake, right? 4 to the power 2 is 16. Right now we can expand this 2 cos 6 theta. This 2 can be cancelled off when you expand this further. You get this answer. Right? This is 32 cos and cos to the power 6 theta, cos to the power 4 theta is minus 16 minus 32 minus 48 cos to the power 4 theta. Let's check for cos squared. That is minus 6 minus 18 is plus 18. This is 2 and this is plus 16 plus 18 cos squared theta minus 1. You got the answer, right? So we can derive many things. Yeah, what's wrong? You want me to do this second order? One second.
Yeah, asking for.
Oh, yeah, this next part, right? Coming from the start.
I did it. Okay.
Right, okay.
This is how I do it.
Instead of x, you can use cos theta, right? Then instead of x, you can use cos theta, then cos 6 theta equals 0. You can solve for theta, right? What substitution do you do?
X equals x squared.
How it becomes 48?
3 over 2 positive is x.
3 over 2. We check 6 No, but you can get the corresponding ones. Look at this. 48 x to the power 6 minus 72 x to the power 4 plus 27 x squared minus 1 equals 0. You are supposed to solve this equation. Determine the smallest positive root of the equation. Smallest positive root of the equation. And these terms are corresponding, but we have to find the relevant substitution. How do we get the substitution? Shall we check it with this? Let's get the corresponding cos square theta is 27, let it be equal. And 9 into 2, 9 into 3. It's like cos square theta. Cos square theta is 3x squared over 2. Okay, when you substitute, otherwise, right? Okay, we can like this way. Otherwise, instead of x squared, when you substitute, when you substitute 2 cos squared theta over 3, right? This is x squared. Right? This one. Look at this, please. What do you want to do this? I don't know what to do. If you need to do this, please pay attention. Cos squared to the power 3 minus 72 x squared to the power 2 plus 27 x squared minus 1. So this is substitution. When you use this substitution, what do you get? 48 into 2 cos squared theta over 3 to the power 3. Right. Minus 72 into 2 cos squared theta over 3 squared plus 27 into 2 cos squared theta over 3 minus 1 equals 0. So this substitution I choose. When you simplify this, you get to the power 3, 48 into 2 over 3 to the power 3. How do you get that? What's wrong with the substitution? 48 into 120. Is there something wrong with this substitution? 9 into 2, 9 into 3.
So did you send what? Did you send me what?
I don't know. Let me check this equation first. What could be substitution? What's wrong with this simplification? Check that.
So it was what?
What? It is. Instead of x squared, I identified as what's the other transformation called? To the power 2.
Not 2 over 3 cos theta is equal to x.
32 cos 6 to the power. What?
2 over 3 cos theta is equal to x. So 2 over 3 cos theta is x.
What will be? 2 over 3.
Cos theta is equal to x.
2 over 3 cos theta
Is x.
is x.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No, we need to get the square root. So, according to this.
No.
So when you cross multiply and get the square, when you
So let
subtract,
us.
yeah, when you subtract that, what's wrong with this? There must be another. What is it?
No, it should be square root.
Yeah. What kind of transformation? So for this one, this is all right. And this
For that one, it's 6 square root. 6 square root. Because it's not just square root, it should be to the power 6.
Yeah.
So it's 6 square root.
Which one?
So for that one it's 6, that one it's 4, that one is just square root. For each.
So,
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
So it's like this is the one for the.
No, I mean this equation is correct. It's correct. What I got. This equation I think is correct. Okay, this is 2 plus 6 minus 7. Yeah, that is correct. Instead of 18 cos square theta, we have 27 x square here. 9 into 2, 9 into 3. 3x square over 2 is cos square theta. Two cos square theta over 3. Even for this one, it doesn't work. 18 to 4 becomes 30.
Yeah, sir. So for x cube, x to the power 4 term, it should be another way. It should be 4 root.
It is another way.
Yeah.
We have select the one single transformation. Right? We have select one single
We
transformation.
can sub in that transformation for that and another transformation for that.
No, there must be a connection in between these two. Otherwise, we can't solve this. So, what's the connection? Yeah. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Try to think.
They are saying determine the smallest positive root of the equation.
Yeah, we had to go through this one. So we had to check the intercorrelation between these.
But in this equation, is do we need this?
Yeah, that is it. Yeah. It's correlated. It's correlated. Hence determine the smallest positive root of the equation. So what's the substitution? 8 times 4, 8 times 6, 3 times. This is 2 times 2, 2 times 3. Is 3 over 2 is always my goal. Oh my god. Here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Okay, look at this part. Look at this part. When you take out when you take out 3 over 2, the ratio.
When you take out 3 over 2, it's equals positive. Or you divide everything by 3 over 2.
Then 48 over 32 is 3 over 2, right? The ratio between these coefficients, corresponding coefficient, is always a constant. Look at this, it is 72 minus 72 over 48. It is also 3 over 2, right? And 27 over 18 is also 3 over 2, right? So what we can say? What do we say? So when we divide this by 3, right? Divide this by 3 and multiply it by 2. We get that, right? We get that. So we can take out 3 over 2 from all. 3 over 2 from all. We can take out 3 over 2 from all. And this is going to be 32, right? This is going to be minus 48. This is going to be 18 from these parts on, right? From these 3 parts on, right? From these 3 parts on.
And divide both sides by 3 over 2.
Yeah. Now we will put this into the other side.
Then divide both sides by 3 over 2.
Yeah, we will put this into the other side. Now look at this. What is substitution now? What is substitution now? Instead of x, we can substitute here what? Cosine theta, right? And we substitute that.
So why don't we divide both sides by 3 over 2 and solve the equation by making x equal to x squared?
This one is divided by 3 over 2.
No, just cancel 3 over 2 from the equation and
Yeah,
then solve it.
you can cross multiply that.
Yeah.
You can cross multiply.
And then
Doesn't
just-
matter.
Yeah, just solve it
2
for.
over 3. This becomes 2 over 3.
Yeah. Now solve it for
Yeah.
that.
Solve this for that. Yeah, that's fine. So when transfer with x is replaced with cosine theta, this is nothing else 32 cosine 6 to the power theta minus 48 cosine 4 to the power theta plus 18 cosine square theta. No other transformation will work.
Minus 2 over 3 equal to 0.
This is replaced with what? This one cos 6 theta plus 1, isn't it? Cos 6 theta plus 1. Because this part is cos 6 theta. This entire part is cos 6 theta now. Isn't it? This entire part is cos 6 theta now is equal to 2/3. When you put this in the other side, how it is minus 1/3 equals cos 6 theta. Right. Now you can solve for cos 6 theta equals minus 1/3. Cos 6 theta equals minus 1/3. Could you please? Yeah. Please try to understand this. Please. Do it quickly. Hurry up. Hurry, please do it quickly. Try to do it. Hurry up, come on. Come on. Hurry up. Today morning I had I started English class, English class, film, years ago, and they're switching to Cambridge. They left this school and switching to Cambridge.
What's the what is it?
Here is the Harun's batch.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Yeah, wait. Then Could you understand this? No. Yes. My God. Here, look at this again. So, it seems like using a transformation, we can't project that. So, the transformation is instead of x, use cos 2. Last time I used 2 cos theta over 3. No. 3 cos theta over 2, right? That doesn't work for this, right? Because for your one, it doesn't work when it's going to be the square and the cube. It doesn't work. Therefore, I took the I got the relationship, the ratio. Always the ratio between each of these corresponding coefficients is a constant. So, what's the thing we cannot? We can take it out as a factor, right? When you take out 3 over 2, when you take out 3 over 2 from this part, when you take out 3 over 2 from this part, these coefficients are reduced up to what? 32 minus 48. This one. In the right way. You have it right? Please do. I said this will give you bad point. You can check what you are doing. Actually, the grandma asked me to record it. She wanted to check whether it worked here or not. Right. Okay.
No, sir, I asked you to record.
Oh, okay. This. Here from this one, you can take out
Suppose.
3 over 2, right?
Suppose.
From no, look at this, please. Please, Ramayan, you can't do it like this. Why don't you work?
I will.
Oh, you
So what did you do? You just substituted x for
No, first of all, check this. What did I do here? Here, I do. I do 3 over 2 out.
Yes.
So this will be divided by 3, which
Yes.
is 16 into 2. It becomes 32. This becomes minus 40. This becomes plus 80. When you take out 3 over 2 from this
Yes.
part on, right? That is the first step. So please do it quickly. So then after that, then you can put this part into the other side.
Yes.
When you have this part, when you can subtract the other part, then by putting this minus 1 into the other side, 1 into 2 over 3. It is 2 over 3, right? Then it is equal to this part. Then the substitution is x is replaced with cosine theta. So then you do that.
Should
So-
we replace it?
Yeah, then that bulk part can be replaced with cosine 60.
But they're asking hence determine the
Yeah.
of this
Still I am
equation.
explaining. And then you have to solve for theta first. There are some values for theta
Yeah.
because it is a trigonometric equation, right? So then you can solve for theta. Then these corresponding values for theta gives values for different values for cosine theta.
So why don't we
which
just
is
find
x.
for x?
Yeah, this is going to be solved through this trigonometric equation.
Why can't we just find by x?
Yeah, we can directly find it by considering this as a polynomial function. But they want us to do it using this trigonometric equation. Otherwise, you won't get marks if you do it using another method. So we have many different methods. Even Leibler-Rapson method can be applied to this if you know that range, right? So there are 6 rules, right? But at this moment, they want us to do it using this trigonometric equation. This trigonometric equation maps the solutions of the polynomial equation. So this was do it yourself. So when you multiply this again, you get back those coefficients, right? Then you can put that minus 1 into the other side, it becomes plus 1. Then you can cross multiply that, right? Otherwise, you can put that minus 1 in the other side and you can divide both sides by 3 and multiply both sides by 2. It's the same.
No.
It's the same. It is the same, right?
No.